Okay, so we're talking about multiplying and dividing rationals again. I kind of mixed up the notes here, so we're only going to go through a couple things. You can ignore the warm up there. That will come up in 9.5. Okay, so here we're doing the same thing we always do. Now we're combining, multiplying, and dividing. So what we're going to do is remember this. This is very important. B minus A is the same thing as negative A minus B. Whenever you see something minus X, for us, we're going to want to change that to that. That's just going to happen all the time. Over here, we're going to factor out 6X, divide everything by 6X. So I'd have just X left there, divide this by 6X plus 7. Down here, what multiplies to 42 and adds to negative 13? Negative 6, negative 7. And here, X plus 7, X minus 7. Be careful of canceling things out. You could cancel out this and this right now. You could cancel these out, and we're going to have to flip this in a second. So be careful canceling these out. Like if the X plus 7 was up here, we couldn't cancel it until we get to a certain spot. Okay, you can start, now we do the change it to multiplication, multiply by the reciprocal. Now you can go and start canceling stuff out unless you want to write it out as one big fraction. The X minus 6s cancel out, the X plus 7s cancel out, and the X minus 7s cancel out. You're left with this. Negative times a negative is a positive. Negative 9 times 6, haven't done it yet, is negative 54. I don't know why that X is so fancy looking. And then reduce 2 over 54 and reduce X over X. And the negative down here just comes out front. Negative 1 over 27. The X's cancel out. 2 over 54 reduces to 1 over 27. The negative's left over, so it's right there. Okay, your turn. You're just going to work this one out, and that's going to be it. Work this one out. Pause here, work this one out, and come back and check your answers. Okay, so we're going to do a bunch of factoring. Here you can do a couple things. If you wrote this as negative, this is going to be, by the way, X plus 4, X minus 4. This should be what? X minus 4, X plus 2. Here you could rewrite this as negative X squared minus 16, which would then become negative X plus 4, X minus 4. I think I went ahead and just wrote it as 4 minus X, 4 plus X, and then eventually I made this we can just rewrite because it's addition. We can rewrite it in any order we want. And this we could pull out that negative and write it like that. Eventually you're going to get here anyway. So whatever way you do it your way. Yeah, so when I went ahead, the next step I went ahead and flipped this, but notice I have 4 minus X. And then I changed that to negative X minus 4. And 4 plus X can just be rewritten that way anyway. But if you had done this right off the bat, full, no problem. Then you would have had, this part would have been the bottom part anyway. Okay, so now we can start canceling everything out. X plus 2 and X plus 2, X plus 4 and X plus 4, X minus 4, X minus 4, left with that. The 6 and the 9 will reduce to 2 over 3. And then you're going to multiply the 3x into there. So 3x squared minus 12x. All right, there it is. Good luck.